Just the best of me, especially the purple and the OG. But y'all might call it the granddad. Better safer with the ticker pour slow. I lead slow. Ain't no doubt about it that somebody gon' peep me. Go ahead and ride. I think I'm a cheat because I'm kinda sleeping. Me and my niggas and my crew will get into it. Now we be at odds hardly, cause we're smoking on an ounce of the ganja. That Bob Marley. Me a rock to the reggae music. Whenever me feel a split work in. Kill off in it rude boy. If you take away my herb of the herbs.